Hello friends, welcome to Travel Global Venture. Have you ever dreamt of getting paid to travel? Now, let that sink in for a moment. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves lapping against the shores of a tropical island, or the vibrant chatter of a bustling European city, and knowing that this is not just a vacation, but your everyday life. That, my friends, is the allure of paid travel. Paid travel is more than just a dream. It's a lifestyle choice, a decision to break free from the conventional 9-to-5 grind, and a chance to embrace a life of adventure and exploration. It's about merging work with passion, where the world becomes your office, and every day brings a new, exciting challenge. Why is paid travel so alluring? Well, it's simple. It's the freedom. The freedom to explore the world's most exotic and remote corners, to immerse yourself in diverse cultures, to taste unique cuisines, and to meet people from all walks of life. It's the freedom to live life on your terms, to choose your own path. But let's get real for a moment. Paid travel isn't a leisurely stroll in the park. It's a job, like any other, and comes with its own set of challenges and responsibilities. It demands adaptability, resilience, and a willingness to step out of your comfort zone. But for those who dare to take the leap, it offers rewards that far outweigh the risks. There's a wide array of jobs that let you experience the magic of paid travel. From travel blogging and cruise line work to being a flight attendant or an English teacher in a foreign country. Some people find their calling in being a travel nurse, a tour guide, or even a diplomat. Others might be drawn towards international aid work, remote work, or travel photography. Each of these jobs offers a unique perspective on the world, a chance to broaden your horizons and enrich your life with unforgettable experiences. They offer you the opportunity to live a life filled with adventure while still earning a living. Imagine the thrill of earning while exploring the globe. Let's delve into the top 10 jobs that offer just that. At number 10, we have travel blogging. Picture this. You're traversing the globe, experiencing the richness of diverse cultures, and sharing your adventures with a captivated audience eager to live vicariously through your words. That's the life of a travel blogger. Travel blogging is not just about glamorous photos and captivating stories. It demands dedication, creativity, and a knack for storytelling. You're a writer, a photographer, a marketer, and a social media manager all rolled into one. The upside? The world becomes your office. The downside? It can be a hustle to get started, and a consistent income isn't guaranteed. But for those with a passion for travel and a talent for weaving tales, the rewards can far outweigh the challenges. And let's not forget, many travel bloggers have turned their passion into a full-time career, earning a living while satisfying their wanderlust. With passion and dedication, travel blogging can indeed be a ticket to the world. On the 9th spot, we have cruise line work. Now this isn't just about being a captain or a deckhand. The world of cruise line jobs is as vast and diverse as the oceans these magnificent ships sail on. Think about the mini-city that a cruise ship is. From chefs to entertainers to fitness trainers and spa therapists, these floating cities offer a multitude of job roles. But what's the best part? All of these jobs come with the incredible opportunity to travel. Imagine one day you're serving cocktails while cruising the Mediterranean, the next week you're hosting trivia night in the Caribbean. It's a life of adventure on the high seas, with the chance to see breathtaking sunrises and sunsets over different horizons every day. Of course, it's not all smooth sailing, and there will be challenges. But the trade-off of experiencing new cultures and sights is well worth it. From chefs to entertainers, cruise line jobs offer a sea of opportunities for travel. At number 8, we have the job of a flight attendant. It's a role that goes beyond serving snacks and drinks at 35,000 feet. Flight attendants are the heart and soul of an airplane, ensuring the safety and comfort of passengers while being the face of the airline. They have the opportunity to travel to different parts of the world, often staying in destinations long enough to explore. The schedule is certainly unpredictable, with early mornings, late nights, and holidays on the clock, but the trade-off is the chance to see the world on the company's dime. This job is unique as it combines customer service, safety, and travel like no other. And let's not forget the perks. Discounted or even free travel for them and their families. The world truly becomes your oyster when you're a flight attendant. With a job in the sky, flight attendants surely have a view to die for. Coming in at number 7, we have ESL Teaching. Imagine this, living in a foreign country, absorbing its culture, all while making a difference in the lives of others. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? That's the life of an ESL, or English as a Second Language teacher. These educators have the opportunity to traverse the globe, teaching English to students of all ages. ESL teaching is more than a job, it's an adventure. Picture yourself in a bustling classroom in Seoul, or a private tutoring session in Tokyo. The job not only offers the chance to travel but also to foster deep cultural immersion. As an ESL teacher, you become a part of the community, learning and growing alongside your students. And remember, teaching English abroad isn't just a one-way street. As you impart knowledge to your students, you'll also be learning about their culture, their traditions, and their perspective on life. ESL teaching, a chance to educate, inspire, and explore. At number 6, we find the travel nurse. This role is for those with a caring heart and an adventurous spirit. A travel nurse is a healthcare professional who takes temporary assignments across the country or around the globe. You're not just confined to a single hospital or clinic. Instead, you get to explore new cities, immerse in different cultures, and make a difference in diverse communities. Every place has its unique health challenges, and as a travel nurse, you get to learn and adapt, broadening your professional skills along the journey. What's more, travel nursing can be quite lucrative, with competitive salaries and additional perks such as housing stipends and travel reimbursements. It's a chance to combine your passion for nursing with the thrill of travel, all while earning a good living. So for those of you with a medical background and a wanderlust, consider the path of a travel nurse. Travel nurses, healing the world one city at a time. Halfway through at number 5, we have the tour guide. A tour guide is more than just a job. It's a lifestyle, a passion, an opportunity to share the world's wonders with curious minds. Imagine waking up every day in a new city, a new landscape, sharing tales, histories, and hidden gems of the place with eager travelers. As a tour guide, you become the bridge between cultures, the storyteller that brings history to life, the compass that directs the curious to the extraordinary. This job demands a love for people, an unquenchable thirst for knowledge, and a knack for making the unfamiliar feel like home. Being a tour guide opens doors to travel opportunities, from the ancient ruins of Rome to the bustling streets of Tokyo. This job offers a unique blend of adventure, education, and human connection that few careers can match. Tour guides, the knowledgeable explorers of our world. At the 4th spot, we have diplomats. Now this is a job that's not just about fancy cocktail parties and polished conversations. Diplomats are the face of their nation, representing their country in foreign lands. They work to foster relationships, negotiate treaties, and promote peace and understanding across borders. Imagine the thrill of living in a new country every few years, absorbing the local culture, learning new languages, and experiencing different ways of life. The job of a diplomat is a blend of intrigue, adventure, and responsibility. It's a role that demands adaptability, cultural sensitivity, and a knack for negotiation. Diplomats also have the unique privilege of shaping international relations and contributing to global harmony. It's a job that requires you to be on the move, but the rewards are immense. You get to make a real difference while seeing the world, one embassy at a time. Diplomats, making the world a smaller place through diplomacy. On the podium at number 3, we have international aid workers. These are the unsung heroes of our globe, venturing into areas of the world most of us only see on news broadcasts. They represent a unique blend of adventure and altruism, traveling to remote and often challenging locations to provide necessary assistance. International aid work is not your typical 9-to-5 job. It's a calling that requires a deep sense of empathy and resilience. Aid workers are tasked with responding to crises, coordinating relief efforts, and helping communities rebuild. From responding to natural disasters in Southeast Asia to providing medical care in sub-Saharan Africa, their work takes them across continents and cultures. Despite the demanding nature of this role, it offers unparalleled travel opportunities. It's a chance to immerse oneself in diverse cultures and environments, far beyond the typical tourist trail. This job combines the thrill of exploration with the profound satisfaction of making a tangible difference. International aid workers, making a difference and seeing the world. Just missing the top spot at number 2 is remote work. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is remote work? Well, it's the modern-day answer to the traditional 9-to-5 office job. It's work that can be done from anywhere in the world, as long as there's a solid internet connection. Imagine this, one day you're working from a cozy cafe in Paris, the next, you're on a beach in Bali, laptop at the ready. Remote work is the ultimate freedom, offering the chance to explore and experience new cultures, all while earning a living. From web designers to writers, customer service reps to consultants, there's a broad spectrum of jobs that fall under the umbrella of remote work. It's about finding that perfect balance between work and wanderlust, So, whether you're an early bird or a night owl, a city slicker or a beach bum, remote work offers the flexibility to tailor your work schedule to your travel plans. Remote work, making any place your office. And now, the #1 paid travel job, travel photographer. Imagine this. You are in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, capturing the vibrant colors of exotic birds in flight. Or you're on a snow-capped peak in the Himalayas, framing the majesty of the landscape in your camera viewfinder. This is the world of a travel photographer, a profession that is as thrilling as it is rewarding. Travel photographers are visual storytellers who translate the essence of a place into striking images. They capture people, cultures, landscapes, and cityscapes, bringing the world to their audience in a way that words often can't. Every photograph is a tale, a frozen moment that tells a story of its own, offering a glimpse into a world that many may never have the chance to see. But what makes a travel photographer's job unique? It's not just about taking pretty pictures, it's about immersing oneself in different cultures, understanding diverse perspectives, and telling stories that matter. It's about connecting with people on a deeper level, finding the common threads that bind us all, despite our differences. The travel opportunities that come with this job are unparalleled. One day, you could be exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu. The next, you could be photographing the northern lights in Iceland. The world becomes your workplace, your canvas. Travel photographers get to see the world in a way few people do, experiencing the beauty, the diversity, the rawness, and the realness of it all. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. This profession demands patience, creativity, and perseverance. It requires a keen eye for detail, a knack for capturing the extraordinary in the ordinary, and the ability to adapt to changing environments and situations. But for those who have a passion for travel and photography, the rewards far outweigh the challenges. Travel photographers, they're not just job holders, they're explorers, storytellers, artists. With each click of the shutter, they share a piece of the world with us, reminding us of the beauty that surrounds us, the diversity that defines us, and the common humanity that unites us. Travel photographers, capturing the world through their lens. So, there you have it, the top 10 paid traveling jobs. Let's take a moment to reflect on this intriguing countdown. We started with the creative realm of travel blogging. This job, number 10, offers the freedom to express your experiences and insights while connecting with an eager audience. We then dove into the world of cruise line work, job number 9, that not only offers a chance to travel the high seas, but also provides an opportunity to meet people from all walks of life. The 8th job on our list, flight attendant, took us to the skies, emphasizing the thrill of regularly changing locations while ensuring passenger comfort. At number 7, we explored the role of an ESL teacher, a job that combines the joy of teaching with the opportunity to immerse oneself in different cultures. The 6th job, travel nurse, highlighted a career that marries the nobility of healthcare with the excitement of travel, allowing one to make a difference while exploring new horizons. Coming in at number 5, the role of a tour guide showcased a job that's all about sharing the beauty and history of a place with others, turning sightseeing into a fulfilling career. Our number 4, diplomat, signified a role that not only offers extensive travel, but also the chance to shape international relations. At number 3, we discovered the world of an international aid worker, a job that combines travel with the mission of making a positive impact in the world. Job number 2, remote work, emphasized the modern age's flexibility, allowing one to work from anywhere, turning any place into an office. Finally, we reached the pinnacle with the number 1 job, travel photographer, a career that allows you to capture the world's beauty, turning fleeting moments into eternal memories. The world is a book, and those who do not travel read only one page. So which job will be your ticket to the next chapter? Until next time, safe travels.